When you have finished calling all of the materials for your project, in addition to creating framing layouts to deliver back to your customer, you can also create reports which detail out the different materials that were called in your project. Here in the project, if you come to the Reports tab, you can see various different types of reports that can be created, edited, or removed as needed. But despite all the different types, there are 3 basic styles of reports: an itemized list, a condensed list, or a direct ship list. All of these report types are giving the same amounts of material. There's just a difference in how that material is being organized. First, let's look at the itemized list. If we view that itemized list, we'll see that the material that is provided in this report is organized, first of all, according to packs. So here the first floor framing and second floor framing materials are kept separate. But in addition, within each pack, items are also sorted by their different application. So here you can see we have floor joists and floor joist kitchen. And even though they are the same material, they are kept separate since their applications are different. So the itemized list style reports sort things by packs and cross-reference them by application. But now let's look at another report style, the condensed list. Here we'll view this list, and we can see that the material is now sorted according to pack as it was before, but it's no longer sorted or separated by application. So here, these 2x12 floor joists that used to be in 2 separate line items, one for the floor joist and one for the floor joist kitchen, have now been condensed into a single line item. So the condensed list still sorts things by pack, but condenses all materials within that pack that are of the same type. Finally, there is the direct ship list style of report. Here we'll view that report. And now, instead of the materials being organized by pack, you can see that all materials for the project have been condensed into a single list of materials regardless of their pack location and regardless of their application type. So here, all these 2x12 products that were used in various applications throughout the project have been combined into a single line. So direct ship list reports disregard packs and disregard applications to give you a single list of materials for the project. For all report styles, you can see in the upper left-hand corner of the preview window that these reports can be printed, saved as PDFs, or even exported to Excel sheets or CSV files, whatever is most useful and practical for your customer. In addition, there are also opportunities to export in a file format that can be imported directly into your point-of-sale system, saving you time and improving your accuracy.